Hello everyone, it's Mudit again, and as I said in the previous video, in this video I'll show you how to put some shapes and colors in the display that we created in the first video. So the thing is, I kept a simple rectangle for the time being, which is red in color, and another thing is it resizes with the window. So this may not be something you want. So in the next video when I'll come to images, I'll show you how you can make it maintain its aspect ratio along with get bigger or smaller depending on the screen. So stay tuned for the next video. The thing is, to make a model, to make a shape or anything like that, it's actually difficult in Python. Python is this programming language that I'm using. The reason is it's not a game engine, it's a programming language, and we are not using the existing things that much. We are trying to make functions of our own because the existing stuff has a lot of limitations. We want lights and shadows and motion blur and lens flare and all that fancy effects later on, right, in a game. So we can't do that. We can't necessarily do that with the existing stuff. We have to make stuff of our own, and for that we have to specify the model data and the colors and the like positions and transformations and all that in proper formats, and it's difficult. But the thing is, I'll show you what actually is difficult in the next few videos. This was just a simple rectangle. So stay tuned. In the next video I'll show you images, and after that I'll show you how to move those images, and after that soon we will come to 3D, and then once 3D starts, it's going to start looking much better. And in 3D also, once we start loading 3D models specifically, which we will design in some other software, then the game will start looking like a game properly. So stay tuned for all of that, and I'll see you all in the next video, and thanks for watching, and bye.